Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions chapter 14, questions 1 to 14 of chapter 14 of chapter name is probability of class 8 of new learning composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And if you learn more solutions about new learning composite mathematics textbook of class 6, 7, 8, then please visit my website masquerade.com. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 14 of chapter probability. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is, a die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 3? When we throw a die, then there are 6 possible outcomes we get. Throwing a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is called the sample space. Sample space is denoted by letter S, capital S, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the events, these are the elements, and which is enclosed within curly bracket. Throwing a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is denoted by sample space capital S, and we have to find the probability of rolling 3. जब हम एक डाई को थ्रो करते हैं वहाँ पे हम 6 पॉसिबल आउटकम, दैट इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 हमको नंबर्स मिलता है. तो यहाँ पे हमको निकालना है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग द नंबर 3. तो लेट ए बी द इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग 3. Capital A is the event and that is the event of getting number 3. Here when we throw a die, there are 6 possible outcomes. Getting number 3, only one number 3 we get. So number of favorable outcomes of getting number 3 is 1, which is denoted by NA. NA equal to, that is number of the event A, that is number of event of getting the number 3 is 1. थ्रोइंग ए डाई, हमको एक ही नंबर 3, एक ही बार हमको 3 मिलता है, तो दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स ऑफ गेटिंग नंबर 3. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग द नंबर 3 इज number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. यहाँ पे number of favorable outcomes हुआ getting number 3, that is 1. एक ही बार हमको 3 मिलता है when we throw a die, so that is the number of favorable outcomes, that is 1. And total number of possible outcomes is, that is denoted by sample space S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is N of S, that is number of sample space is 6. So probability of the event A is NA divided by NS, that is 1 divided by 6. तो यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग द नंबर 3 मिला 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज द नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, दैट इज द इवेंट, जो इवेंट हम निकालेंगे उसका नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, एन ऑफ ए में निकालेंगे उसको कितना नंबर हमको मिला, जो भी मांगा गया होगा, तो उसका डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स इज द सैम्पल स्पेस. सैम्पल स्पेस मतलब उसको दो एलिमेंट्स को हम कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखे, दैट इज द सैम्पल स्पेस. If a coin, when we toss a coin, there are only two possible outcomes, that is head and tail. But when we throw a die, there are six possible outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So जब टॉसिंग करते हैं एक कॉइन को, तो सैम्पल स्पेस हुआ एच एंड टी, दैट इज द सैम्पल स्पेस. एंड व्हेन वी थ्रो ए डाई, थ्रोइंग ए डाई, देयर आर सिक्स पॉसिबल आउटकम. वो सैम्पल स्पेस थ्रोइंग ए डाई, उसका सैम्पल स्पेस होगा 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग द नंबर 3 इज 1 divided by 6. Now we solve question number second bit B. We have to find out the probability of rolling number 7. Throwing a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, that is the sample space S 1 2 3 4 5 6. जब हम एक डाई को थ्रो करते हैं तो सैम्पल स्पेस मिलता है 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हमको मिलता है, दैट इज द सैम्पल स्पेस. और यहाँ पे हमको निकालना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग द नंबर 7. सो लेट ए बी द इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग नंबर 7. जब हम थ्रो करते हैं डाई को, देयर आर 6 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7 number rolling a die, there are only up to 6 only numbers is there, but here we have to find out the probability of rolling the number 7. throwing a die हमको 7 नंबर नहीं मिलता है, तो यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी, यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स ऑफ गेटिंग नंबर 7 विल बी 0, as there is no number 7 in rolling a die. Only 6 possible outcomes, 1 to 6 only the number we get. So the number of favorable outcomes of getting number 7 will be 0. So probability of rolling the number 7 will be, probability of A is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. यहाँ पे number of favorable outcomes हुआ 0, is there is no number 7 in rolling a die. So number of favorable outcomes होगा 0, and total number of possible outcomes is the number of sample space, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6 numbers. So number of possible outcomes is 6. So probability of A होगा 0 divided by 6, that is equal to 0. Now we solve question number C, third bit C. Probability of rolling an even number. We have to find out the probability of rolling an even number. So when we throw a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, that is the number of total outcomes, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the sample space. Number of sample space is 6, and S equal to 6, that is the number of sample space. Number of possible outcomes is 6. और हमको निकालना है नंबर ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग एंड इवन नंबर. तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ सैम्पल स्पेस 1 2 3 4 5 6 में इवन नंबर है 2 4 and 6. These are the 3 numbers, 3 even numbers. So let A be the event of getting an even number. Even number is the number which is divisible by 2, that the remainder is 0, then that number is said to be an even number. So यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 में 2 4 6 ये 3 numbers even numbers है. तो number of favorable outcomes of getting even number is 2 4 6, that is number of event A, and A equal to 3. 2 4 6, that is the number, and A is 3. सो यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए होगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रोलिंग एन इवन नंबर इज नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स। नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स है 3 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है 6। 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 that is 1 divided by 2. So probability of even number is 1 divided by 2. Now we solve question number 4th B, that is the probability of rolling a prime number. So when we throw a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, that is the sample space. Number of sample space is number of possible outcomes is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the number 6. N of S, NS is 6. तो यहाँ पे हमको निकालना है prime number, probability of rolling a prime number. So let A be the event of getting a prime number, and prime number is the number which is divisible by 2, divisible by 1 and itself. That is, prime number has, if the number has 2 factors, then that number is the prime number. So number of favorable outcomes of getting prime number, यहाँ prime number होगा, यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 में प्राइम नंबर है 2 3 and 5. These three are the prime numbers. So number of event A, number of favorable outcomes, that is NA is 3. So probability of rolling the prime number, that is PA, will be number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. यहाँ पे number of favorable outcomes मिला NA, that is 3, and total number of possible outcomes है NS, that is number of sample space, that is 6. So NA divided by NS, that is 6. 3 divided by 6, and 3 divided by 6 is 1 divided by 2. यहाँ पे 3 cancel, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and cancelling 6 with 3, that is 2. So we get 1 divided by 2, and 1 divided by 2 is the probability of rolling a prime number. Probability of rolling a prime number is 1 divided by 2. So probability का फॉर्मूला है नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स। जो इवेंट का उसका नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स निकालना पड़ेगा, और उसके बाद नंबर ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, दैट इज द सैंपल स्पेस, टोटल स्पेस, नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, दैट इज सैंपल स्पेस। उसको डिवाइड करने से दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द इवेंट। Have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.